and the phone. Yep. Using both, baby.
Wow, you're using both electronics.
Mama just messaged me asking if Gabe's okay.
Park here.
No.
Here. Ew, that looks like the poo. Oh, we're going off.
You do realize the camera can hear you, right, Michael?
What?
The camera can hear you.
Hey.
Oh, shit, that was deeper than I fucking thought. Ooh, but I powered out of it.
Yeah.
Damn, that was close.
Seriously.
Not that deep. I'm gonna take a risk.
You're a risk taker and I'm a risk taker. Dead. Phew.
You're not dead. Just muddy. Just muddy.
Yeah, we're just muddy. We're not dead, but we're muddy. Muddy. Whoa.
That one was deep.
Slowly.
That one was deep. Ooh, that one was deep.
Let's go home.
Nah, we good.
I want barbecue. Let's celebrate our day off in school. Go in the tree.
Shh. We're following the Jeep right now. You know that, right?
What?
That Jeep that's ahead of us. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
No more mud?
Y'all good?
Yeah, we're gonna bring him in. He fell.
Oh.
So he's a little wonky.
Oh yeah. I figured that's why I got 4 wheels.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. It looks like he hit the rock and
Ew.
just washed out right there.
Ah. Yeah, I see it right there.
We appreciate you checking on us.
Oh yeah, hey, that's what you gotta do though.
Yeah.
Hey.
Safe out there.
Oh yeah.
Can we go barbecue?
I'm not even
now?
sure if my 4-wheel drive's working fully.
Oh, really?
I'm in 4 high and it's kicking the rear end out more.
Daddy didn't know the camera.
I'm
could
hoping.
hear us.
Yeah, it gets soupy at some of these spots. But we saw you going around, so.
Oh yeah,
pretty good.
I'm enjoying it. My first time without the wife with just the 2 boys, and the youngest one
I'm
fell
7 years
asleep.
old.
How's it going?
He's 1, I'm 7.
Hey, so he got his fans going. He's good.
Oh yeah, out cold. Figure this would have woke him up.
4-4.
We go up
All
the
right.
mountain.
Oh, you went up the mountain up there?
Oh yeah.
That's fun. Yeah, I'm gonna bring my Jeep out here. I haven't been out here.
I'm trying to get my friend to come out. I want to test that.
Guess what?
That puddle right there, we're going to go through that one. the rear's spinning for some reason.
Turn it.
What's wrong?